You may begin by logging into your eldest account, or later on I will show you the another option which you may start with opening your associated Gmail account instead. For now, as shown on the sample recording, to log into your eldest account, you need to type in your username and your password. Okay, now once loaded, you'll be able to see your eldest account pulled up. So you just need to, next is to pull up your email inbox as well. I mean the inbox of your associated email account. You just need to log in there. Okay, in our case, in our sample, Bishop is logging in his associated Gmail account. Okay, we're referring to the email account associated to your eldest account as a bishop or branch president. Now, once you have already logged into your associated email account, okay, you will be able to pull up your inbox. Next step would be for you to look for emails with subject FSY registration bishop approval needed. Okay. To make it easier, you may try to find messages and typing in the said subject as keywords or search key terms. Now, once you are already in one of those email with subject FSY registration bishop approval needed, you just need to look for the hyperlink inside the email which says the website. Basically, it will lead you to the leader approval page. Actually, this is the other option. You may start with opening the inbox of your associated email account instead of logging in first in your LDS account. Now, in your leader approval page, you need to look for those registered and with the leader approval button available. And if it says awaiting for parental approval under the parents approval, you may still proceed as long as you already have their parents consent after they have been interviewed. Okay, now the next step would be to hit the leader approval button. Okay, you need to click on that. And then once clicked, it will show to you the parental approval override. You just need to click yes. And then once you'll be able to see the two green checks with parent approved and leader approved, congratulations. Okay, you have already approved the said registrant.